Hello grade 6 scientists. Today we are taking a trip up the solar system. And for now we're going to look at our model. My name is Caitlin Pillay.
My name is Maya Marvi.
And my name is Nonowe Gosasi.
And this is our TNST group video. So for my recyclable model, I have used a cake board which is spray painted black to give us the tones of our solar system. I then reinforced it by adding a paper cutout of polystyrene, and then I covered it with paper and spray painted it to make it black. I then reinforced our structure by adding skewers. So I added 4 skewers to support our solar system. Once that was done, I started to use polystyrene and I made a hot needle hot over a candle, and I cut out circular motions to make our planets. Once that was done, I added paint to give it some color and make it look exciting. Once that was done, I then added skewers, and then I started to add it into our sun to create our planets. Once that was also completed, I added some glitter to make our solar system have some stars. So this is our model, and we're going to find out and learn more about our solar system.
The model that we see in front of us represents our solar system. The sun is in the middle and it is the biggest star in the galaxy. The first planet is Mercury and it is the closest to the sun. Next comes Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn. It's easy to identify Saturn because of the ring. And then we have Uranus, and the last planet is Neptune. If you look carefully, you can see that each skewer is not the same size. We have some short and some are long. Each skewer represents the distance of the planet from the sun. As we can see, Mercury has the shortest skewer because Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. And Neptune has the longest skewer because Neptune has the longest distance from the sun. Our base is covered in glitter, which represents the stars in the galaxy. And the name of our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
So now learners, we're going to be identifying the different characteristics of each planet. Let's start with planet Mercury. Mercury, being the smallest and closest planet to the sun, means that there is no atmosphere, which also means that there is no weather. Next, we have planet Venus, and although it is the second planet from the sun, it is the hottest planet. It also rotates backwards compared to all the other planets. We also have planet Earth. Planet Earth is the only planet that has life on it. It consists of 71% of water. Also, it only has one moon. Next, we have planet Mars. Planet Mars is also referred to as the red planet, of course, because of its color. Next, we have planet Jupiter. As you can see, Jupiter is the largest planet out of all the planets in our solar system. Jupiter is referred to as the gas giant king, of course, because it is a giant planet. Jupiter also consists of the most number of moons out of all planets. We then have planet Saturn, which has 7 rings that rotate around it. Planet Saturn is also referred to as the ring master. We then have planet Uranus, which rotates on its side. It is tilted at a 98-degree on its axis. Planet, being planet Neptune, is the furthest from the sun. That means that there is no light, so it is dark, windy, and icy. Lastly, we have our main character being the sun. The sun is also called the star power. It is 4.6 billion years old and is 93 million